Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to continue with my series of video regarding how we are going to sell on the top of this market. This video is about the retail indicators on how to sell Bitcoin at the top. Like always in my videos, I'm going to give you these 6 things, these 6 indicators that I'm going to share with you on how you can catch this bull run according to these sentiment indicators. Pay attention to these 6 indications that I'm going to give you in this video, because if that is happening, that means that retail is in the top of the bull run. You need to dump all your crypto to them. That means that you need to click that Oppenheimer button, throw that atomic bomb over them, selling all your crypto and getting out of the crypto market. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, I am doing this series of video to show you some technical indicators on the most easy way that you can understand them, so you are prepared to sell on the top of this market. My previous video, you will find it here on my YouTube channel, but also in my website, is this indicator predicted all Bitcoin tops. And if you see that video, you will see that that is not my opinion, that is 100% true. So check this video, which is the first one of my series of video on easy indications that will help you to sell on the top with me. And today we are going to see retail indicators. Retail is going to be the last one to enter into the market, like in all the other cycles. Doesn't matter that we have institutional investors on this bull run, ETF, or any other narrative that you want to put it. The same happens once and once again. Retail is going to be the last one to enter into crypto. Most of the population of the world is still unaware of the use of crypto, doesn't have any portion of any Bitcoin, and they hear Bitcoin each time for 40 years when the cycle is hot, and then they forget about it. And that is going to happen again on this bull run. Those are going to be the moments where you need to click that Oppenheimer button and sell all your shit and get out of this market. This is going to be my third bull run. I already have been here 2017 bull run, 2020-21, and each time I am doing it better, but this time I really plan to sell like 90% of all my crypto, including Bitcoin. Another parenthesis, I'm also going to talk about the strategies if you want for the crypto portfolio, what I'm going to sell, how much and in what proportions. So if you like that kind of content, please put your comments below, because I hear Chico Crypto and many other great YouTubers that I actually see their content doing these stupid exit strategies. Like, I will start selling when Bitcoin start hitting 130,000, then I will start selling 30% each time that Bitcoin does 2,000 more on the upside. And that is a stupid strategy because you are betting in a number. You cannot bet in a number. You don't know what the market is going to do. So if Bitcoin top is 110, you are going to be fucked up. So you cannot start your selling point and a specific number that you just imagine that is going to happen. So avoid all that kind of strategy. That is trash. So if you want me to give you a real strategy on how you can exit the crypto market when the time comes, so put your comments below if you want that kind of content too. Now let's go directly to this video. So these 6 indicators are the ones that confirms that retail is here and you should sell. So stay with me until the end, because you will need these 6 things to understand why all these represent retail as a whole. This time it's not just one indicator that I will give you, it's like 6 things. The first one is you need to search the word Bitcoin on Google Trends, and that will give you an image on how much this word is being searched, of course. And that represents retail. So here you have the first link to Google Trends, and here I have 2 other links. One is the Bitcoin trend from 2016 to 2024, and then you have a link for a Bitcoin comparison. You can compare that search volume with another volumes. So this is Bitcoin, and of course you can use Google Trend for anything. If you are selling t-shirts in the US, you can search and see how much the word t-shirt is being searched online in your specific country. So anyways, it's a good tool to any business, but we wanted to see it how it interacts on the bull runs. This is from 2016, 2024, and you can see here at first sight what happened on the last bull runs. Here, this was a specific peak for the bull run of 2017. You can see how the search volume of the word Bitcoin exploded by December and the end of the 2017 and January 2018, when was the peak of the bull run. And here you have the two little mountains. This one represents the search volume around the dates of the peaks on 2021. And here we are now with a search volume of the number of 26. And you can see that this is normal activity for Bitcoin for now. We are not even near a possible peak of retail searching about Bitcoin or crypto in general. Why the word Bitcoin? The word crypto is really, if you are already in crypto or cryptocurrency, nobody uses the word crypto if you are not in. So what your grandma is going to search when she wants to buy one whole Bitcoin, it's going to be just Bitcoin. It's not even what is Bitcoin, because that will make it specifically for the English word. So we want to know what happened with Bitcoin worldwide. That is why here you have also selected worldwide, and we are searching the word Bitcoin all around the world. So this is the first indicator. Of course, you have interesting regions on these parameters, related topics, related queries, etc. But we are just focusing on this. Of course, you can compare these words with another words. For example, you can add Ethereum, you can add the word crypto. But you can see that in terms of telling you what happened the last bull runs, is not really important using another words. You can see that the real peaks of the bull runs happen using the word Bitcoin here. That is why the first indicator here is going to be that check the volume of the word Bitcoin on Google Trends. And if you are above 50, you really need to pay attention then. So this is the first indicator, the Google trend of the word Bitcoin worldwide. Now the second point, and hope you still are with me and you start to see where I'm going with all these things, is the rank apps related to crypto. So here you have a couple of links, and guys, all these links you will find it in my post. So the first link on the description is going to send you to a post on my website where you are going to see all the information of this Excel file. So check that information, keep it on your radar, bookmark that website page so you can use it when the time comes. Rank apps related to crypto. Here you have a link for the top ranked on iOS. You have another link for iOS and one for Android apps. And this is also interesting. This is on the Apple Store, and you can see right now the top 3 apps are all related to entertainment, social media. You can see TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook, Gmail, YouTube, and like all the usual crap related to social media and entertainment like Netflix, Spotify, etc. Right? So there's nothing related to crypto here on the top ranked applications, and the same is happening if you use another tools to rank applications. So you can see all is related to social media mostly and entertainment. And if you go to the Google Play Store and you search for the Android application, it's the same. Everything is related mostly to social media and entertainment. What happened in the last bull run is that the application of Coinbase went super viral and entered into the top 10, top 5 downloaded applications. And I think that is also going to happen this time. The application of Binance could really peak on downloads. The application of Coinbase is going to peak on downloads, even KuCoin app. The number 2 indicator is check these top ranked applications, and if you see a couple of crypto related apps, that also means that retail is downloading those applications. Those are not investors, those are not companies behind it. That is your grandmother downloading it to buy some Bitcoin. So yeah, that will be the second indication. The ranked applications related to crypto, keep an eye on that. That will give you also the sense of what is happening. Now the number 3 indicator is one that you probably know it, so I will go very quick on this. But this is a really important one. This is the Fear and Greed Index, which goes from fear to extreme greed. You can see last week we have a 90, yesterday 82, last month was a 72 on greed, but not extreme greed. be sure that these levels are similar when we are in the top of a market. So you will be above 90, probably about 85. If you are really near the peak of the bull run, we are about 85. So check that in consideration. Down here you have a chart that you can use. That will be my recommendation. Just click on max and you can see, for example, here this was the last bull run 2020-21. You can see we were in 93, around there, 94. So yeah, those are the really high volumes on those moments. Right now we are also high, but that doesn't mean that we are specifically on the top of a bull run. This is another indicator that you are going to need in your pocket. So keep an eye on this chart of the Fear and Greed Index. And if we are about 85 and about 90, then you really need to see the other indicators that I am showing. You need to see the Pi cycle indicator that I showed in my previous video and see all that confluence to make your decision. That click on that Oppenheimer button and sell everything, get out of the crypto market. Hi crypto fans, I will be joining the Paris Blockchain Week from 9 to 11 of April. I will be 1 week there. So I want to invite you to join me there, and I contact the event. I get a discount coupon if you want to buy your tickets. The only thing that you need to do is go to tickets, select the ticket that you want to buy. Once you are in this page on the step 1, you can select again the ticket that you want to buy. Let's say that you want this ticket. Go down here, you can see that the total is 3,480 euros. And if you put my discount code that is in the description of this video, you are going to get a 15% discount. So copy the link here, click add discount, and you can see automatically you are saving more than 400 euros in your buy. Just follow the steps to complete the payment and you're done. I hope you enjoy me there. We can meet, we can participate on this amazing event together, and hope to see you there, community. Now the point 4 of the video, this is a chart. This is an active address sentiment indicator, and this indicator, what this does is use an average of a 28 price action with a 28 active addresses. So doing a comparison and a calculation with that, they created this channel inside here. Let me zoom a little bit so you can see it better. Inside this channel, from the upper line of the red dot and the down line also dotted here, you can see there's a gray line, which is the 28 address active. The orange line is a 28 price moving average. So using this information, they basically show you that when the 28 price average goes up of the upper band, that means that the sentiment is really bullish, and this is also related to a sentiment of retail. So if you check a little bit on the price bull run here, on the price history, you can see a super spike here on January 2021. This was almost when we reached the first of the tops here. Then you have another spike here on February when we were on the top of the bull run. And then for the second top, we went up here on this 50% line. So we have this another 2 tops. And right now we are above those levels. We are actually on those levels. The break of the all-time high made us do this parabolic run to the upside on this indicator. This is the kind of things that you also want to see on the top of a bull run. Check this indicator also. You have some information about it here if you want to understand it well. But that is basically what this indicator will show you. It's a relationship between the 28-day price change and the 20-day active addresses change. The point 5 is the Bitcoin active addresses, just plain and simple. I put also a link to the Glassnode chart, which is this one. You can see it maybe a little chaotic, but the orange line are the active addresses, the black line is the Bitcoin price. So you can see in previous bull runs, this is a 2017, the active addresses went to the roof. Here like 1.2 million active addresses at that moment. You can see here on the top of 2021 also we have about 1 million. In the second top we didn't reach 1 million exactly. Let me check that in detail here. Well, actually we did 1.190, So yeah, we went above the 1 million active addresses at that moment too. So that means that in terms of this chart, you want to see the Bitcoin active addresses around 1 million or above 1 million. And right now we are really low in terms of that. And right now we are around 850,000, around that number. So we are not right now there, but you want to see these spikes on active addresses on Bitcoin when we are on top of the markets. And lastly, the last indicator, the number 6, is really important, so don't take it under the radar. And this is people that was never interested in crypto or Bitcoin starts to ask you about crypto and how to buy Bitcoin, or if they need to buy an altcoin or what they need to do in order to make money on crypto. And this is a powerful indicator, so you really need to start paying attention to those signs. You don't need to force anything, it's going to happen naturally. But I remember last bull run, my grandmother asking me directly how she can buy Bitcoin. And at that time she had 94 years old. And even if she didn't have any money, she wanted to ask me about that, and she really wanted to buy Bitcoin. So that is the kind of craziness that happens when everyone is talking about Bitcoin, when the prices are really high and it's appearing in all the news. So the 0.6 is also really important. So guys, these are the 6 indicators related to sentiment, retail sentiment specifically, that you need to pay attention when we are really hot in the market. And of course, you really need to be level-headed here. If you are panicking, if you are super emotional with the market, the new all-time highs of Bitcoin and all that, you are going to be wrecked. No matter what indicator you are seeing, you are not going to press that Oppenheimer button and sell your shit, and then you are going to see that 50% down very quickly after the top of the market, and you are going to be down there with your pants down and all the smart money that are selling their shit to another investors, and you are going to be only seeing the show. So you need to sell your crypto. You need to start right now to mentally prepare to that. At least you need to sell like 80% of your portfolio. If you are holding all your Bitcoin for the future and all that is crap. Another crap if all those YouTubers that say, oh, I buy altcoins just to get more Bitcoin and I don't want fiat, so I just accumulate Bitcoin. That is another stupid thing, because if Bitcoin worth $20,000, it's not the same that Bitcoin worth $50 or $80 or $100,000 in USD money. So if Bitcoin worth $20,000, I hope I have a lot of fiat so I can buy a lot of Bitcoin. And yes, and if Bitcoin worth $1 million, then at that point I hope I am standing on Bitcoin and not in that crappy fiat. But you should never be married to the idea to only have Bitcoin. You need to have what is needed in order to you to make more money. So don't buy that bullshit also that only accumulate Bitcoin, never sell the Bitcoin. Even Crypto Moon in one video regrets that didn't sell enough Bitcoin on last bull run, because he's also one of those hypers that they only want to have their Bitcoin. So he saw Bitcoin going from $70,000 into $16,000, and he probably has millions and millions of value on that. And he saw all that value going down. So you don't want to do that. That is stupid to say and to do. So you really want to sell your Bitcoin, and you really want to buy that Bitcoin back at a lower price. But again, if you really want me to do a video about a good strategy to exit the market, put your comments below, and put your comments below if you really want me to do more videos about different indicators that are going to help you to sell at the top of the market and really make that decision. That will be all for this video. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and don't forget to go to my website and check my subscriptions. I have a private Discord where we discuss all these kind of things about crypto strategies, more now that we are really in this bull run, but also we discuss everything about airdrops. My channel is really focused on airdrops, and I also created this application to register and apply to airdrops easily and keep everything organized for the app. And very soon I have another update on my app that is going to help you a lot. So check my subscriptions, join my private Discord. If you are alone on this bull run, you're going to be probably one of the losers. I'm sorry that I say that. So join my community or any other communities of serious investors so you don't get trapped on the bull run and you sell your positions as you should do. That will be all, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.